Welcome to the first video of my Habit Mastery series. Over the next 5 videos, we're going to go over how habits can transform your entire lives. You'll leave with practical strategies to create profound and lasting changes. Habits, the foundation of who we are. Think about your day-to-day activities, from brushing your teeth to scrolling through your phone. Most of what we do is automatically driven by our habits. In fact, researchers suggest that up to 40% of our daily actions are habitual. Habits are powerful because they require little conscious effort. Once formed, they run on autopilot, freeing up your mental energy for other things.